Okay, today is Monday, November 1st, 2021. We're at Linwood Manor in Adrian. We're up on the roof. We're on the northwest corner. As you can see, we're at a roof sump. We have one farther towards the middle. There's some issues with groundwater in the northwest corner of the building outside. They've dug up outside and there's a small hole in the foundation where water's coming out. The domestic water feeds overhead. There is a hydronic system that does feed underground. The water is clear. We're going to do a diagnostic televise of the roof sumps to check condition. Also, we're going to locate to see if these go in the direction of the west side of the building. As you can see, this is a 4-inch roof sump. Okay, we did go to the left, which is to the east, a little ways before we drop down. Currently, we're in the vertical drop. Okay, as you can see now, we've hit the underground area. You can see we have a small amount of water at the bottom, but it does appear to be open at this time. Okay, here you can see as we come up to this last joint, we have an offset here in the tile, and then you'll see we also have a size change. And here you can see we have a Y. This could possibly pick up the other roof sump that is to the south of us. We're going to pause here to see if we can either get a location whether we're inside the building or if we made it to the outside, and see if we can get an idea of the direction. Okay, we have located this in the building. It's in one of the rooms that were empty. That's going to be to the east of the first main hallway. We are going to continue to push out to see if we can see any areas with possible breaks. As you can see, it's getting harder to push through the offsets from this location. If we continue to have difficulty, we may go ahead and pull back from this location and move to the next roof conductor down, which we believe is going to be closer to be able to see where the drain goes outside and where it actually ties into. Okay, as you can see, this is about as far as we can push. As you've noticed, we do have several joints that are offset in the clay, but it currently is not holding any water at this time. again, this is a Y where we have the size change. And here you can see the piping here appears to be cast iron, where the size change in Y is where it turns to clay tile. As you can see here, this is in 10-foot sections instead of the 3-foot clay tile sections. Okay, we're going to kind of point this area here. This is towards the northwest corner. That's where the water is. We're going to be moving over. As you can see, there's a dark line across the roof, and it's hard to see, but at the very end is the next roof sump. That's where we're going to move over to televise from.